Hey Pips, so I'm gonna show you how I survived the lockdown and have a very good afternoon boost of energy. I'm gonna show you a very nice tea time break with the best kaya in the world, and I'll come to that in a bit. First, the bread. Okay, now that we've got the bread ready, the next thing is to put on good old kaya. And I want to introduce you guys to fresh bulk kaya coconut jam. All right, this is the one. Before eating kaya, before eating fresh bulk kaya, I never knew kaya could be that good. Okay, it's really out of this world. I've always eaten kaya at a coffee shop whenever I had the time to do it, and it's always all right, but never this great. For those of you who are not from Malaysia or Singapore and you want to know what kaya is, basically kaya is made of fresh coconut milk, eggs, palm sugar, and for them, for fresh bulk, they write it down here that they use first grade palm sugar. Amazing, just amazing. It really makes me go through a very hard day very easily, you know, with this super awesome best kaya in the world. And then it's gonna get a bit of this, yeah. Ooh, wow. I'm gonna give it a nice spread. All the ends, right? All the ends. Then I'm gonna add some butter. Let's see how much butter do I want. Put as much of this as you like, right? I know it's kind of fattening and all, but it gives you that whole richness that you want. So it's really up to you. Okay. And give it a spread. Just a little bit more, okay, for today. That's why we say that every day, right? A little bit more today. And that's it. Very simple. Here you go. For those of you who eat kaya, why I like it is because the coconut is so fragrant, and that premium gula melaka, what do you call that again? Palm sugar, the premium palm sugar is very aromatic as well. It just gets into your whole taste buds. I forgot to add, to make it all perfect, go with a good old Malaysian teh tarik. You can buy those 3-in-1s. Perfect combination for working at home.